Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to install Python on Windows. So let's go ahead and write down what are we going to learn in this video. So what are we going to learn? Let's just get rid of this guy and let's come back over here. What are we going to learn in this video? Okay, so we will first install Python on Windows 10. After that, we will install VS Code, and then finally we'll install some opencv libraries. So we'll install opencv and NumPy. Okay, so it's a fairly simple video. Let me increase the font over here so you guys can see it better and I can see it better too. Let's just choose 36. Okay, this is big now. And let's go ahead and save it. Why don't we save it on a folder on desktop? So new folder, and let's just call it Windows install. Okay, so let's save this guy. File save as under desktop folder, and we will save it under Windows install, and we'll call it readme.txt. Okay, so first thing to install Python on Windows is to visit python.org. So let's just go ahead and visit python.org over here, and what you have to do over here is go to the download section, and then we need to download 3.7.8. So this is important. Let me increase this a little bit so you guys can see it better. Okay, this is too big. Why don't we don't need magnifier, we need to increase the font. Okay, so I think it's Control++. Yeah, this is what we wanted. So we wanted to install 3.7. So 3.7 release will help you get to Python opencv-contrib edition. So opencv-contrib has some couple of functions that we'll be using later. So again, it's very important that go to python.org, visit 3.7.8, scroll further down, and you will see here Windows x86 64 exe installer. Just go ahead, download it, double click on it, and you can go through an install exercise. The key thing over here is make sure that I've already installed it, so I'll just click on modify. But the important point over here is select everything that they are giving you, and then important point is at the very end it will ask you to create a path variable. Make sure that you click on it. So I'll go ahead and install 3.7.8 one more time. Here we are going through the installation exercise, and here looks like we are done. The next thing we need to install is VS Code. So simply visit VS Code, go ahead and click on Visual Studio Code, download and install it. Download for Windows, it's fairly simple. Install it, and that's about it. Let's go ahead and create a quick file, a test file over here. We'll go inside, create our file, open with code, and over here we'll create a quick Python file. We'll just simply add few numbers, and let's just call it I equals, let me type I correctly, so I equals 2 plus 2, and then print I, and let's save this guy as py file. So save as, and let's just call it 1.py all files, and save it. Okay, so here we have the 1.py file. If I come back and if I run this file, it should give me ability to, it should show me that this file is running Python. So view terminal, new terminal window, where am I? I'm inside this variable, and I can simply say okay, I'm inside Windows folder, so I can say Python, and then I can say 1.py, and you see it has printed the number 4, so everything is running correctly. So this is it. So to install Python on Windows, you simply have to install Python by going to python.org. Make sure you select 3.7 version, go to Visual Studio Code, install VS Code, and you are good to go. If you need to install, let's say, some libraries, you simply say pip install, you can say NumPy, or you can say pip install opencv-contrib-python, right? So something along those lines, you will be able to come to the terminal prompt and say pip install NumPy. I have already installed it, so it will say requirements are met, and you can say pip install opencv-contrib-python to install the opencv version. Alright friends, this finishes our video on how to configure Windows machine for Python. Again, install Python 3.7.8, and that's about it. Okay friends, thank you.